To recap, this is your roadmap. The order form is your roadmap for success. And the purpose of this video is to show you our preferred recommended steps from this stage. When you get the box from the shipper, our recommendation is to take this just like this to the job site. Don't open it up. Here's the layout from your drawing, the north arrow, corner ABC. So this is what you follow. This is what your installers follow on the job site. So it's important that this information gets down to the guys actually doing the job in the field. So the sales guy might have information that he needs to put on here, but the sales guy is probably not going to be at the job site. Usually look in the box, make sure there's nothing else in there, because there is hardware usually in the bag. So here's the sale, here's my hardware, and here's actually a third copy of the order form. I keep referring to the order form, so that's the most important part. This has all the details, hems up, hems down, where the turnbuckles go, any special hardware. So this is the roadmap that the guy in the field has to have, because the installer doesn't have this. So they don't know if they put the turnbuckle possibly in the wrong corner, maybe flip the hems up and down, and it won't fit that way. They're all custom. So that's why I keep referring to the order form. And the sale will only fit one way. And how you ordered it, this one was ordered hems up. So when we install it, we need to install it with the hems up, and then corner A here. And corner A gets a turnbuckle. So we'll know when we go to install it, we're gonna hook a turnbuckle here to go to corner A with the hems up. But again, the purpose of this video is so that you don't get those panic phone calls. Hey, the customer's watching, we're missing this, it's not fitting. You can avoid all that just by taking a little bit of time during the unboxing to get the details right, and then it should go up without a problem. It should go up smoothly. But the installer has to have this, and there's 3 copies in each order. One on top of the box, one inside, and one with the hardware. To recap, this is your roadmap. The order form is your roadmap for success.